Understanding repair tools in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, repair tools. This is a common term in English, especially useful for those who are learning the language for practical, everyday use. Let's dive in and understand what repair tools really mean and how you can use this term in your daily conversations. Repair tools refers to a variety of instruments or devices used for fixing or mending something that is broken or damaged. These tools are essential in many contexts, such as in mechanics, electronics, carpentry, or even for simple household repairs. Understanding this term can be particularly useful for situations where you need to request or use these tools. Now let's look at some common examples of repair tools. Hammers, used for driving nails into wood or other materials. Screwdrivers, employed for tightening or loosening screws. Wrenches, tools for gripping and turning nuts and bolts. Pliers, useful for holding objects firmly or bending materials. Tape measures, for accurately measuring lengths. Understanding these examples will help you recognize and use these tools effectively. Let's put our term into practice. Here are some sentences where repair tools is commonly used. I need to buy some repair tools to fix my bike. Can you pass me those repair tools? I need to tighten this bolt. She keeps her repair tools well organized in the toolbox. These examples show how versatile and practical the term repair tools is in everyday language. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of repair tools in English. Remember, learning these practical terms not only enhances your vocabulary but also aids in your daily life, especially when dealing with repairs and maintenance. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.